In Gmail, you can flag emails as important by starring them manually or by teaching Gmail to flag them as important based on who sends them, and that will happen automatically. Let's look at manually starred emails first. To set up your stars, you go up to the settings gear, which is the upper right, click on that, click on See All Settings, and then scroll on down to Stars. Here we go. You may have one kind of star in use, like probably the yellow one, but let's say I want to flag two kinds of stars as important. One is from, let's say, district administration, so I could call those yellow, and then let's say PTA emails, so I could call those purple, and I go over to the purple star. You'll see the crosshairs appear, which means I can drag it, so I'm going to drag it from not in use up to in use. Then let's say I want to show that certain things really need my attention, so let's say we'll call those yellow with the exclamation point. I'll drag that up. And then if they're super, super important, let's say I'll call that the orange exclamation point, so I'll drag that up. And then I want to say that certain things are done, so I can drag that check mark, click and drag up to in use. And let's say there's certain emails that I have questions about, I need more information, so I'm going to identify that by taking the question mark, and I'll click and drag that up to in use. You can also change the order of those, and we'll look at why that matters in a second. Now, whenever you make changes in your settings, you have to tell Gmail that you actually meant to do that, so click on Save Changes. Okay, now we'll go back to my inbox, and let's say this email from my friend Julia is important, so I'm going to click on it, click on the star once, and I could click on it again to turn it, to scroll through my list. That's why I told you the order matters. When you get through your list of stars, it will go back to white. So that is how stars happen. You can, again, manually star emails. In addition to that, you can also have Gmail flag certain senders as important. So let's say your supervisor is important to you, and if that is Julia, I could click on this arrow here, and then that flags it as yellow or important. Now, not only can I scan up and down my emails to see what's starred and what's flagged as important, but I can also go over here and click on starred on the left-hand sidebar, and all my starred emails show up. Or I can click on important, and all the senders who I've taught Gmail are important to me also show up. And then, of course, I can click on inbox just to go back to my normal inbox view. I hope that gives you some ideas of how you can help flag certain emails as more important than others to you.